welcome to Panlasang Jackie. So it's time to cook. We will cook today glass noodle. And then we have our nuts. I will grill it later. So now to start. Oh, that's ready. It's ready to cook our pancit. So without oil, of course. See, look, without oil. And then put this here. And just close it. This is it. Put everything together. The cabbage, carrots, beans, rabbit, and then the noodle.
It's nice. It's nice.
So your noodle.
Come on.
Yeah. And then the sauce. Bit of water. Close it. So this is the most easiest pancit because of saladmaster. Put the timer 165 degree for 7 minutes. See here. Here's the timer. 7 minutes. And then leave it and you will have your pancit. So pancit is ready. So 7 minutes pancit. All you need to do, just mix it. Let's see. Can you cook glass noodle in 7 minutes? You cannot. It's impossible. But in saladmaster, it's possible. Cooking glass noodle in saladmaster with the 11-inch electric skillet, you can have your pancit even every day, just for 7 minutes. Look, guys. Look, the noodle. It's yummy. So, effortless pancit. So 7 minutes glass noodle is ready. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.